Could artificial intelligence hold the key to reshaping our world? As we delve into the chronicles of generative AI, we find ourselves immersed in a realm of infinite possibilities. Our journey commences in the early 2010s with the birth of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. This groundbreaking technology, birthed by the brilliant mind of Ian Goodfellow, introduced us to the concept of two neural networks pitted against each other, sparking a revolution in the realm of generative AI. As our chronicle progresses, we reach the year 2016, where a significant leap was made with the advent of the Deep Convolutional Generative Adversarial Networks, or DCGANs. This advancement propelled the capabilities of GANs to new heights, enabling them to generate detailed and diverse images from random noise. Journeying forward to 2018, we witnessed the rise of big GANs. These AI behemoths, developed by DeepMind, were capable of producing images of unprecedented quality and resolution, blurring the lines between artificial and natural imagery. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves amid an era of AI innovation, where GANs have been fine-tuned to produce not just images, but also music, text, and even 3D models. The most recent breakthrough, the StyleGAN 3, has opened doors to an uncharted territory, generating near photorealistic images with uncanny detail from a variety of angles and perspectives. As we traverse this timeline of generative AI, it's evident that the pace of progress is not slowing down. With every passing year, the capabilities of these AI models are growing, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. So what have we learned from this journey? From the inception of GANs to the advent of StyleGAN 3, generative AI has consistently broken barriers, transforming industries ranging from art and entertainment to healthcare and beyond. The ability of these AI systems to generate realistic, high-quality outputs has unlocked a myriad of applications, and their potential is just beginning to be realized. In summary, the future of generative AI is a promising one, filled with untold potential and endless possibilities. As we move forward, we can anticipate a world where AI not only mimics reality but also enhances and redefines it. The revolution is here, and it's reshaping our world, one pixel at a time.